Welcome back to our YouTube channel. If you are new here, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. This is the promise of HackerGPT, a tool that empowers cybersecurity professionals and enthusiasts alike. It provides them with the capabilities to detect, analyze, and mitigate threats in ways that were previously unimaginable. HackerGPT is not merely another algorithm, it's a digital companion, a tireless ally in the ongoing battle for digital security. It works alongside you, learning and adapting to the ever-changing landscape of cyber threats. Just as telescopes unveiled the secrets of the cosmos, HackerGPT promises to illuminate the hidden corners of cyberspace. It reveals the unseen, the overlooked, and the hidden dangers that lurk in the digital shadows. With the rise of sophisticated cyber threats, the need for advanced tools has never been greater. HackerGPT stands at the forefront of this battle, offering solutions that are both innovative and effective. HackerGPT arrives as a beacon of hope, offering a glimpse into a future where cybersecurity is proactive, intelligent, and remarkably efficient. It represents a shift from reactive measures to proactive strategies, ensuring that we are always one step ahead of potential threats. It's a future worth exploring, a future where technology and human ingenuity come together to create a safer, more secure digital world. Buckle up as we embark on a journey to uncover the capabilities and implications of this game-changing AI. Together, we will explore how HackerGPT is set to redefine the boundaries of cybersecurity and digital innovation. At its core, HackerGPT is a master of code. It can generate scripts, identify vulnerabilities, and even patch them, all with remarkable speed and accuracy. This tool is not just a time saver, it's a game-changer in the world of software development. Imagine having a digital assistant that can not only write code but also ensure that it is secure and efficient. This is the promise of HackerGPT. Imagine a world where software development is accelerated, where projects that once took months can now be completed in weeks or even days. The collaborative environment of a development team is transformed, with HackerGPT acting as an invaluable team member, tirelessly working to improve and secure the codebase. In this new world, security flaws are identified before they can be exploited. HackerGPT's proactive approach to cybersecurity means that potential threats are neutralized before they become real problems. This level of preemptive action is crucial in today's digital landscape, where cyber threats are constantly evolving. This is the power of HackerGPT's coding assistance. It's like having a vigilant guardian that not only helps in creating robust software, but also ensures that it remains secure throughout its lifecycle. But HackerGPT's capabilities extend far beyond mere coding. It can analyze vast amounts of data to detect patterns and anomalies that might indicate a security breach. This analytical prowess makes it an indispensable tool for any organization serious about cybersecurity. It possesses a keen eye for vulnerabilities, sniffing out weaknesses in systems with the precision of a bloodhound. This means that even the most subtle and hidden flaws can be detected and addressed before they are exploited by malicious actors. No longer will security professionals be forced to rely solely on manual testing. HackerGPT can automate this process, identifying vulnerabilities with unparalleled efficiency. This automation not only speeds up the process but also reduces the risk of human error. HackerGPT can automate this process, identifying vulnerabilities with unparalleled efficiency. This means that security teams can focus their efforts on more complex and strategic tasks, knowing that the routine checks are being handled by a reliable AI. Task automation is another feather in HackerGPT's cap. From routine maintenance to complex data analysis, HackerGPT can handle it all, freeing up valuable time for developers and security professionals alike. Repetitive tasks that once consumed countless hours can now be delegated to this digital workhorse. This not only increases efficiency, but also allows human experts to focus on innovation and strategic planning. This frees up cybersecurity professionals to focus on more strategic tasks, such as threat analysis and incident response. With HackerGPT handling the grunt work, teams can be more proactive and less reactive. HackerGPT becomes an extension of their expertise, augmenting their capabilities and allowing them to achieve more in less time. It's not just a tool, it's a partner in the ever-evolving battle against cyber threats, making the digital world a safer place for everyone. Consider a scenario where a large organization faces a barrage of cyber attacks. Traditionally, security teams would scramble to identify and patch vulnerabilities, often working against the clock. With HackerGPT, the process becomes streamlined. The AI can analyze network traffic, identify suspicious activity, and even recommend appropriate countermeasures. In another instance, imagine a team of ethical hackers tasked with penetration testing. HackerGPT becomes their digital accomplice, probing systems for weaknesses, exploiting vulnerabilities, and providing detailed reports of its findings. This allows the team to focus on the most critical areas, ensuring that the organization's digital assets are truly secure. The applications of HackerGPT are as diverse as the cyber threats it seeks to combat. From automating security audits to developing more robust security software, HackerGPT has the potential to revolutionize the way we approach cybersecurity. It's a tool that can adapt to a wide range of scenarios, providing invaluable assistance to security professionals across various industries. Section 4. A new era of cybersecurity. The advent of HackerGPT marks a paradigm shift in the cybersecurity landscape. This revolutionary technology is not just an incremental improvement, but a transformative force that redefines how we approach digital security. No longer are we solely reliant on human ingenuity to combat the ever-evolving threat of cyber attacks. Traditional methods, while still valuable, are increasingly being outpaced by the sophistication of modern cyber threats. We now have at our disposal an AI-powered ally, capable of learning, adapting, and evolving alongside the very threats it seeks to neutralize. This AI, with its advanced machine learning algorithms, can process vast amounts of data at speeds unimaginable to human analysts. This new era of cybersecurity is characterized by proactive defense. Instead of merely reacting to breaches after they occur, we can now anticipate and mitigate threats before they cause harm. HackerGPT allows us to anticipate attacks, identify vulnerabilities before they are exploited, and respond to threats with unprecedented speed and agility. Its predictive capabilities mean that we can stay one step ahead of cybercriminals, turning the tables in our favor. It's a future where the digital realm is more secure, where businesses can operate with greater confidence, and where individuals can navigate the online world with less fear of cybercrime. Imagine a world where your personal data is safeguarded, where online transactions are secure, and where the integrity of digital communications is maintained. But the true power of HackerGPT lies not just in its technical capabilities, but in its potential to empower a new generation of cybersecurity professionals. By providing them with cutting-edge tools and insights, it enables them to tackle challenges that were previously insurmountable. By automating tedious tasks and providing sophisticated analysis, HackerGPT frees up human experts to focus on the strategic aspects of cybersecurity, allowing them to dedicate their time and energy to more complex and creative problem-solving, fostering a deeper understanding of emerging threats and allowing for more creative and effective solutions. This collaboration between human intelligence and artificial intelligence is the cornerstone of a robust and resilient cybersecurity framework, ensuring that we are well prepared to face the challenges of the digital age. Section 5. The ethical implications of HackerGPT. As with any powerful technology, HackerGPT's arrival raises important ethical considerations. In the wrong hands, this potent tool could be used for malicious purposes, enabling more sophisticated cyber attacks and potentially causing significant damage. It's crucial to establish clear ethical guidelines and regulations surrounding the development and deployment of HackerGPT. Access to such powerful AI should be carefully controlled, and its use should be monitored to prevent misuse. Furthermore, ongoing research and dialogue are needed to address the ethical implications of AI in cybersecurity, ensuring that these tools are used responsibly and for the greater good. The development of HackerGPT must be guided by a strong moral compass, ensuring it serves as a force for good in the digital realm. Open discussion, collaboration, and responsible development practices are paramount to harnessing the full potential of HackerGPT while mitigating its potential risks.